This is the Twozoh 4K Micro HD TV to HDMI cable. Now, I've just opened this up because I bought this to connect my Canon camera up to my Mac. So I've already got a few of these cables, these Twozoh ones, and I really, really love how durable they are. They've got this kind of like wonderful fabric stuff that just makes them feel really tough. And it kind of feels like even if I gave this a good yank, it wouldn't come apart and it wouldn't fray either. Really solid building. And I wanted a nice long cable so that I could connect it to my Mac using the HDMI end there. So all I'm going to do is see if this fits. This is the, I think this is also called a micro HDMI cable, which fits in. Like so. Ta-da! And now I'm ready to take this end and plug this into my Mac so I can start getting great quality videos filmed straight onto my computer.